Now we have taken Unit 1 and Unit 2 to tell us more about snail, how they look, their shape, the environment, and how they come out well. Now we're going to Unit 3. We talked about the reproduction and life cycle of snail. The reproduction and life cycle of snail display intriguing characteristics. Let's delve into the typical reproductive process and life cycle of snail. Hermaphroditism. Snails are hermaphrodites, meaning they possess both male and female reproductive organs, enabling them to reproduce or produce both eggs and sperm. However, it's worth noting that self-fertilization is relatively uncommon in most snail species, and majority still require a mate for successful reproduction. Mating. Snails partake in mating process during which they exchange sperm with each other. This mating can occur either simultaneously, known as reciprocal mating, or subsequently with one another, acting as a male and the other as a female. The reproductive opening situated near their eggs facilitate the transfer of sperm. Fertilization. Following matings, snails store the received sperm within their bodies. When it is time to lay eggs, they utilize this stored sperm for internal fertilization. This practice ensures genetic diversity and reduces the likelihood of self-fertilization. Egg laying. Snails deposit their eggs in damp soil, litter filter, or leaf filter, or other suitable substrates. The number of eggs laid vary based on the snail species. Typically, these snails are enveloped in a gelatinous substances and safeguarding them against desiccation and physical harm. Development. Snails' eggs undergo a period of development before hatching. The duration of this developmental phase fluctuates depending on factors such as temperature, humidity, and the specific species. During this period, the eggs undergo cell division and the formation of organs. Juvenile stage. Upon hatching, snails emerge as juvenile snails. At this stage, they usually resemble miniature version of adult snails. Juvenile snails continue to grow and develop, primarily feeding on plant material while gradually increasing in size. Growth and maturation. Snails experience growth throughout their lives, although the rate of growth often decelerates as they approach maturity. Several factors, including species, temperature, food availability, and environmental conditions, can influence the pace of growth. Adult stage. When snails attain sexually matured level, they are classified as adults. At this point, they become capable of reproducing and perpetuating the life cycle. Adult snails continue to feed, grow, and reproduce until they reach the end of their lifespan. It is crucial to recognize that the specific details of their reproductive process and life cycle may vary among different snail species. Factors such as environmental conditions, food availability, and mating behaviors can influence the timing and success of reproduction. A comprehensive understanding of the snail life cycle is indispensable for effectively managing snail population, whether in natural habitats or within snail farming operation. Thank you.